it's Shauna of the Shauna Method here with a daily habit to help you get and stay organized. And this daily habit is to push in and align the stools and chairs in your space. Usually this is probably in the kitchen, maybe the dining room, depending on where you have loose chairs and stools. Now I know this is going to sound silly and some of you are going to say, what difference does it make? But I'll tell you, this is a daily habit that once you start it, you will never go back. Pushing in your chairs and stools does a couple of things. One, it frees walking space in your home. So it makes the flow for people easier in your space. Two, pushing in chairs is also a way we show respect when we visit another person's home. So this is a good habit to form so we do it automatically and don't run the risk of maybe leaving somebody else's chair pulled out that they might trip on. And then three, when your chairs and your stools are pushed in, it just looks nicer. It looks less cluttered. And finally, four, when you're pushing in chairs and stools, you might also then go ahead and put away items that have been hung on or stacked on these chairs and stools. So it might give you that sort of motivation to put a few more things away. So I suggest at least once a day or at a kind of closure interval, such as when a meal is over, just go ahead and reset, push in, and realign your chairs and stools. And I bet this will help you to get and stay organized.